Hey there! Welcome back to Happyforms tutorial. In today's video, we'll go over 5 essential WordPress tips for beginners. These pointers can help you get started with WordPress the proper way, regardless of whether you're new to it or looking to improve your skills. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, regularly update WordPress and plugins. Updating WordPress and its plugins is crucial for maintaining the security, performance, and functionality of your website. Plus, developers regularly release updates with new features, improvements, and compatibility enhancements. Staying updated ensures that you have access to these new functionalities, allowing you to take advantage of the latest tools and technologies. Updates for WordPress can be made directly from the WordPress dashboard. You'll receive a notification on the dashboard whenever a new version becomes available. All you have to do is click the Update button to start the procedure. Similarly, plugin updates are available through the WordPress dashboard's Plugins section. Search for plugins that have updates available, select them, and press the Update button. For convenience, you may also activate automatic updates for some plugins. Tip number 2, use themes and plugins wisely. Use plugins and themes from the official WordPress repository, or reliable developers who have an excellent track record and lots of positive feedback. Downloading themes or plugins from unreliable sites is not recommended since they could be infected with malware or pose security hazards. Verify a theme or plugin's ratings, reviews, and update schedule before installing it. Seek out plugins and themes with good ratings, reviews, active updates, and maintenance. Tip number 3, utilize categories and tags effectively. Utilizing categories and tags effectively in WordPress can greatly enhance the organization, navigation, and SEO optimization of your website. To create meaningful categories, identify the main topics or sections of your website and create categories that reflect these topics. Keep categories broad enough to encompass related content but specific enough to maintain clarity and relevance. Next, tags should be used to add specific keywords or topics to individual posts. Select tags that accurately describe the material and make it easier for visitors to find related posts or content clusters on your website. Tip number 4, securing your WordPress site. In order to protect your website from malware, hackers, and other online dangers, WordPress security is necessary. The use of secure passwords for your WordPress database and admin account is a must. Stay away from using usernames that are widely used, such as admin, to avoid any breach on your WordPress sites. To keep an eye on and defend your website from malicious attacks, install reliable security plugins like WordFence, Securi, or iThemes. Last but not least, tip number 5, engage with your audience. To gain a loyal following and encourage user involvement, you must establish a community and communicate with your audience. In order to achieve this, you can promote comments on your posts and quickly address them in order to start conversations and express gratitude for criticism. You can also integrate form plugins like Happyforms to engage with your audience. This can significantly enhance communication and interaction on your WordPress website. Happyforms is a user-friendly form builder plugin that allows you to create customized forms for various purposes, such as contact forms, feedback forms, surveys, or newsletter signups. In summary, interacting with your audience on WordPress requires a planned strategy that combines a number of components, including interactive technologies, communication channels, and content production. You may create a dynamic and engaging website experience by putting the stated ideas into practice, such as updating WordPress and plugins regularly, making good use of categories and tags, and integrating form plugins like Happyforms for audience engagement. Thank you for watching our tutorial for today. We hope that you can utilize these useful beginner tips and integrate them with your websites. Happy form building with Happyforms.